Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So to get started, I'm gonna add that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. I don't have a screen lock set, but the process is exactly the same. So what you would do is just turn off your device, and you can hold power button, volume up. This will bring up your boot options, and then select power off, unless you miss it. Pretty sure I missed it, but I guess I didn't. Now, once the phone turns off, hold power button and volume up again, and let go of the power button once you see the Nubia logo. And when you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Next, using volume buttons to navigate, you want to scroll down and select or wipe data factory reset, confirm it using your power button, and then select factory data reset, confirm that. Give it a moment, it's formatting data, and in a moment you will see data wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again. This will now reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once it's finished, we will be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.